Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead report in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track and analyze all your leads in one place, giving you clear visibility into your sales pipeline. First, you'll want to click the app launcher, which is that waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up all your available apps and features. Once you click it, search for and select reports. This takes you directly to the reporting section where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Now that you're in the reports section, click New Report to start building your custom lead report. You'll be presented with a list of report types to choose from. For this tutorial, select Leads as your report type. This ensures you're pulling data specifically from your lead records. After selecting it, click Start Report to move forward. Next, navigate to the Filter tab on the left sidebar. This is where you'll define which leads you want to include in your report. Click the Show Me dropdown and set it to all leads, then click Apply. This ensures you're capturing every lead in your system rather than limiting it to a specific subset. You'll also need to set the time range for your report. Click on Created Date and set it to all time, then click Apply. This means your report will include leads created at any point, giving you a complete historical view. Now go back to the Outline tab where you can customize what information appears in your report. Use the Add Column dropdown to select the fields you want to display. For example, you might want to add lead status to see where each lead stands in your pipeline. This helps you quickly identify which leads are new, working, or converted. If you want to organize your data even further, you can click Add Group and select Lead Status for row grouping. This optional step groups all your leads by their status, making it much easier to analyze patterns and spot trends at a glance. Once you're satisfied with your report setup, click Save and Run. This processes all your filters and groupings and displays the final report. Finally, you'll need to name your report. Enter a report name like All Leads Report so you can easily find it later. Choose a folder where you'd like to store it, keeping your reports organized, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a comprehensive lead report in Salesforce that you can reference anytime to monitor your lead activity and performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.